Welcome to Pramod YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about very important topic, cancer. So based upon where they spread, how they spread. So first type of cancer based on the location is carcinoma. Carcinoma. So the malignant cancers can be subdivided into this many types. We are not concentrating on the benign because benign is not danger, but malignant cancer is very danger. So in the malignant cancer, this carcinoma is present in the epithelial cells. Which cells? Epithelial cells. Epithelial cells. They are present in the epithelial cells. This malignancy occurs in the epithelial cells, and example for the cancer or malignancy which occurs in the epithelial cells are called as carcinoma. So this carcinoma, what are the examples means, like example like lung cancer, prostate cancer, colon cancer are the examples of carcinoma. So carcinoma occurs in the epithelial cells. In the epithelial cells, they are called as a carcinoma. So lung cancer, prostate cancer, colon cancer. So this all comes under a class of carcinoma. Next type of this is sarcoma. The malignancy tumor which occur in the connective tissue. Where they occur in the connective tissue. So when they occur in the connective tissue, so connective tissues when they occur, they are called as a sarcoma. So different types of sarcoma we have. We have the liposarcoma. So angiosarcoma means so connective related angiosarcoma. So angiosarcoma means blood vessels. They occur connective tissues. Blood vessels. So blood vessels. The cancer which occurs in the blood vessels are called as angiosarcoma. Then Kaposi sarcoma means skin, occurs in the skin. They are called as a Kaposi sarcoma. And the angiosarcoma, Kaposi sarcoma, liposarcoma. Lipo means lipids, means fat. So they occur in the fat. So these are the like a liquid type of cancer, so which involves the connective tissues and osteosarcoma. So these are the osteo means to the bone. So bone. So this all comes under a class of sarcoma. Third malignant cancer, what we see based upon the tissue or its location. Third one, so here it is down. We'll go top and right here so that it will be clearly seen for you. Okay. Third type of cancer is lymphoma or leukemia. Lymphoma or leukemia. So lymphoma or leukemia, this type of malignant cancer or malignancy takes place in the blood forming tissues. Where? Blood forming tissues. Takes place in the blood forming tissues. So here we get the various blood forming tissues like blood components, platelets, WBC. They're getting the cancer into that particular thing, or the bone marrow. So bone marrow, spleen. So spleen, thymus. This type of cancer occurs in spleen, thymus gland, and also they occur in case of bone marrow. So bone marrow, all this comes under a class of lymphoma or leukemia. Fourth one is germ cell cancer or germ cell cancer. This type of cancer takes place in the totipotent cells. Totipotent cells. Potent cells. Where does that totipotent cells means? Totipotent cells majorly on the totipotent cells like ovary cancer example, or testicle, ovary or testicle comes in the germ cell type of cancer or malignancy which is taking place in totipotent cells, especially ovary and testicles. And fifth one is blastic tumor, germ cell tumor, all we tell it that tumor or leukemia or whatever it is. Blastic tumor. So blastic tumor occurs in the embryonic tissue. They occur in embryonic tissue, but this is uncommon. It is not a common type of cancer. Stages of cancer. So in this, first one is stage 0. Stage 0, which is called as in situ stage. So in this in situ stage, just the tumor has been started and it has not spread to any part of the body, and the tumor is very small. So that stage is called as a stage 0. Second one is stage 1. In this case, the tumor is small, but they are not spread to the different parts of the body. It is in a small, localized, growing, here not grown, slowly started. It is a starting phase, but here already it has been started and started to grow in a localized place, but not spread to the other parts of the body. This is called as a stage 1. Third one is stage 2. In this stage 2, what happens means the tumor which is small in case of stage 1, here the tumor is large. In this case it is small tumor, it is large, but it also does not spread to other parts of the body. Does not spread. So this also does not spread to the other parts of the body. This is called as stage 2. Fourth one, stage 3. In this case the tumor is large and spread nearby tissues. For stage 4. Stage 4, in this stage of the cancer, it is an advanced cancer where even the medicines cannot work over here, or even the chemotherapy will not work, even the surgery will not work properly here. So this is the advanced stage of cancer, and this advanced stage of cancer, stage 4, in this stage 4, what is going to happen means it will spread to all the parts of the body. Okay, so it will the tumor will be very large, not only spread nearby but also spread throughout the body, other parts of body through the blood and lymph nodes. They spread other parts of the body, and totally the cancer cells uncontrolled proliferation takes place. Even the therapy will not be useful. So this is what regarding all about in this particular video. In my next video, I am going to discuss about anti-cancer, the agents which are used to treat the cancer.